raindrops one by one. Here comes sunshine big and bright, warming up with golden light. Flowers bloom and birds all sing, happy days that sunshine brings. Up above the sky so high, a rainbow paints the bright blue sky. Red, orange, yellow shining through, green and purple, violet too.
Thanks for watching Tiny Tales and Tunes. Like, share, and subscribe.